Today, I'll show you how to check Adobe Acrobat updates. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once Acrobat is open, go to the top menu. Click Help. From the drop-down menu, look for Check for Updates. Click Check for Updates. Adobe Acrobat will now check if a newer version is available. If an update is found, follow the instructions on the screen. You may see a button like Download, Install, or Update. Click it and wait for the update to finish. Acrobat may ask you to close the app before installing the update. If that happens, save any open PDF files first, then close Acrobat and continue the update. When the update is complete, reopen Adobe Acrobat. To confirm the version, click Help again, then choose About Adobe Acrobat. Here you can see the version number currently installed on your computer. If Adobe says your app is already up to date, then you do not need to install anything else. If you are using Adobe Acrobat Reader, the steps are almost the same. Open Acrobat Reader, click Help, then choose Check for Updates. If you installed Acrobat through your company or school, updates may be managed by your IT department. In that case, you may not see the update option, or you may not be able to install updates yourself. If the update does not work, restart your computer and try again. You can also check your Adobe Creative Cloud app if you have it installed. Open Creative Cloud, go to Apps, find Adobe Acrobat, and check if an update is available there. So, to keep it simple, open Adobe Acrobat, click Help, choose Check for Updates, install any available update, then reopen Acrobat and check the version. And that's how you check Adobe Acrobat updates. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.